Hello and welcome back. We're on day 2 of the rush restoration job. So yeah, now I have 8 days left and I've started doing the prep on the Golf. Found more rust than I thought, which is always a winner. But also there's a couple of bits that I thought were going to be bad that have ended up being better. So we'll class it as the same amount of work. I'll go and show you. So I've started at the back. It wasn't actually that bad here. Down the bottom corner, it was pretty rusty. I've still got to clean that up properly, but yeah, none of it's through. It doesn't need welding, which is a bonus. I found a random little hole behind the number plate when I ground that down, so I'll need to weld a wee bit in there, but again, nothing too drastic. There was a wee scratch in the tailgate. Again, nothing too crazy. Bottom corner again, a little bit of rust, but nothing that can't be sorted. We've prepped the roof. Again, they were kind of just little rust spots more than anything, so that was a quick bash over with a sander and 1,000 over the rest of the paint ready. So next bit's going to be this quarter. There's a wee bit of rust down in the bottom corner, so again, I'm hoping that doesn't go through and we could just repair it. The main bit really for me today is going to be getting this bonnet sorted, just because it's so big. I don't feel like the rust bits are going to be that bad. There's a few wee dents, you'll see them in the light as I go up and down, that I'm going to need to sort as well. So there's going to be a wee bit of filler work and stuff at the front end, but yeah, I'm quite enjoying the fact that the car's small and it's not taking long to actually prep any of these panels. The bit of the windscreen, again, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. There is a wee hole in the middle there that I'm going to have to weld up, but again, nothing crazy. So yeah, just going to get back to doing some more prep and crack on with this quarter bonnet, since those are my kind of main areas to get cracking on that are going to cause me the most bother. So right, one of the big issues I've got is this door. It's properly squint. I'll show you. I have a dodgy repair in there, so gonna get a hammer and dolly in that and see if we can straighten it out a bit, and then maybe finish with a wee bit of filler. So yeah, see if we can straighten it out. Right, that's that one sorted. Got the shape back in there pretty well. Nothing too crazy. We'll get the, hopefully you can see that on camera. Yeah, a couple of wee hammer marks and stuff, so I'll get a wee skim of filler in there and then on to the next bit. Right, that is day 2 done on the Golf. I'll give you a quick look around what I've done. I have basically half prepped everything apart from the front panel. So bonnet was a mess. So there's filler on there that I need to rub next time I'm in, but it's late. There's a wee ding on that door that needs to be rubbed. That's absolutely fine. Everything else is kind of half prepped. Filler on the back panel has been rubbed, ready to go. This side, same, little ding on the quarter. Roof needs a wee prime for a couple of tiny wee rust spots that I've sanded out. But yeah, who else actually prefers the ATS Classics. I kind of put them on just so my nice wheels wouldn't get paint or anything on them, but I'm actually really liking the look. What do you think? Give me a shout in the comments if you prefer them or the Gottis. The Gottis are looking a bit tired because I may have used them all winter, so they need a good polish. But yeah, the ATS Classics are looking smart, to be fair. So I just stuck a new wing on the front. Wasn't sure if I was gonna, but now that I have taken the old one off, I am glad I did, because somebody had just put some filler in a hole, so hence the shape was all wrong and it was totally gubbed. So yeah, glad I made the call to change that. But yeah, considering it's been maybe 5 hours I've done on this today, so yeah, fully stripped, everything half prepped, filler work almost done. Yeah, can't complain. I'm actually a bit further on than I thought I was gonna. So hopefully one more day, because I've only got one more day. Sunday is going to see all this prep, all the filler sanded. Going to have to prime it and paint it all on Sunday. Obviously going to be a long day, but I'm hoping I can get it all done. And then if it needs to be a build up during the week, then it needs to be a build up during the week. But if I can get some bits on too Sunday, that'd be great. So yeah, just another wee update. It's nice to actually get behind the camera again and get working on my own stuff. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.